Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to receive money on Venmo step by step so you can get paid safely and efficiently. Before you can receive any funds, you need to link a bank account to your Venmo profile. This is the key step because it allows the money you receive to be securely transferred to your bank whenever you need it. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone and tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From there, select Payment Methods. This is where Venmo lets you manage all your funding sources and linked accounts. Next, tap Add a Bank or Card and choose Bank. Now, carefully enter your bank account details. It's not mandatory to verify your bank account, but it's highly recommended because verification speeds up transfers and adds an extra layer of security, making sure the funds go exactly where they're supposed to. After your bank is linked and verified, receiving money is simple. Anyone who wants to pay you can send funds to your Venmo account, and you can then transfer the balance to your bank at any time. This makes splitting bills, getting reimbursed, or receiving payments from friends and family fast and hassle-free. You can even keep track of all your incoming payments in the app to stay organized. Once you've set everything up, you'll have a safe and reliable way to get paid instantly through Venmo without worrying about delays or security issues. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more practical Venmo tips, and comment below which app you want me to break down next.